So, the moment we all have been waiting for the past 14 months, the OnePlus TV is here. The launch event was for OnePlus 7T and OnePlus TV, and somehow I was more interested in the latter. And I got to experience it firsthand in New Delhi on September 26th. The picture quality is simply amazing, with punchy and accurate colors thanks to HDR10+, Dolby Vision support and 120% of NTSC coverage, and all this at a wide viewing angle. The image distortion is minimal when upscaling content from Full HD to 4K, and as it is a QLED TV, the contrast levels are great. MEMC functionality aka motion blurring feature works pretty well even in YouTube videos, considering you have a good internet connection to drive the 4K panel and avoid stuttering. Now, coming to the speakers. In one word, they are the best in class. With the help of a 50-watt speaker config and Dolby Atmos, the bass is punchy and has depth. Mids are crystal clear and the treble is rich. The soundstage is pretty defined and wide, and you can easily distinguish frequencies in every range of the spectrum. In such a big demo environment like this, the speakers sounded just like you are in a living room. OnePlus engineers have done a great job. The sliding soundbar, which by the way raises and lowers in just 7.2 seconds, is a party trick which actually works really well in my opinion. But at 30,000 rupees extra premium, I think it is too much of a price difference. We all know the software experience on the OnePlus phones is great. And what about the TV? Here the OnePlus doesn't disappoint either. Built on the latest Android platform, OnePlus custom TV UI called Oxygen Play, built-in Google Assistant with Chromecast and OnePlus Connect app, which helps you connect your smartphone and TV together to bring a whole new suite of features, from smart volume, which turns your TV's volume down automatically when a call comes, to screen capture, where you can take a screenshot of your TV screen on your phone, are some of the features to name a few. Overall, in 70,000 rupees, I think it is a great package if the price is not a concern for you. But a lakh rupees for the Q1 Pro model, which has the sliding soundbar, and it is the only difference between the Pro and the non-Pro variant, is too much of a price premium, I think. And did I mention that the remote is made of aluminum and has a USB-C port for charging? I never thought that TV remotes could be this sexy. Thanks for watching. Join our Telegram community for any tech related advices and subscribe.